Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's see the preparation of mini Choco Lava Cake in 10 minutes using a Appam pan. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Ingredients needed are Maida 1 cup, powdered sugar 1 cup, baking powder 1 tablespoon, baking soda 1 teaspoon, milk half cup, cocoa powder 2 tablespoon, any chocolate, oil 1 tablespoon. Now let's see the preparation. Firstly, melt chocolate with hot milk. Here I am taking dairy milk chocolate. Any chocolate is preferable. Paste has to be little thick. Keep it in a freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, in a bowl, add 1 cup of boiled milk which is in room temperature. To this, add 1 teaspoon lemon juice and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now see, milk has curdled. In a jar, pour curdled milk and 1 tablespoon oil and blend well to form a creamy consistency. So for this, add 1 cup of powdered sugar and blend it again. A foam has to be formed. And now transfer this creamy solution in a bowl. Place sieve on top of the bowl and add 1 cup of maida, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and now sieve well. Mix and mix and mix and mix. Now by using spatula, mix batter well. Batter has to be in a running consistency. And now finally grease Appam pan with oil or butter. Pour cake batter to the 1/4. Do it same for all. On top of it, add little freezed chocolate. And finally cover it with remaining cake batter. Tap Appam pan to release air bubbles. And now steam for 10 minutes in a low flame, only in a low flame. Flip it over and steam for 2 to 3 minutes. That's it guys, now our rich round mini Choco Lava Cake is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.